I said, is everybody aware?
We're here at SEMA 2023.
If you haven't been to SEMA, then you haven't really been to a car show.
I have secured my biggest accounts by coming here to SEMA, and I will tell you the ROI is amazing.
Show them the drift cars. They will understand, yeah.
I do believe that if you're not at SEMA as a brand, you just don't exist.
If you want to be seen and if you want to have your product brought out to the world, this is the place to come.
Well, obviously it's the single most important place to bring everybody all together, all at the same place. And so what better place to do it here in Vegas, where it's as big as it gets.
And it's just about connecting with people.
It's good to be face to face. It's good to be beard to beard.
Australians are like car crazy. We often brag about being better at burnouts than the USA guys.
Come with a game plan because you're going to get distracted for sure.
You'll see a lot, but you're not going to see it all.
Wow, this is amazing to see how fast innovation is coming now. We want to support the little guys who have these great ideas.
It fuels my hunger to develop new and exciting products, so it's just a great recharge for me every year.
Over the years, there's been other products that we've brought in just from being here and seeing them.
And then here we can compare things that are literally right next to each other.
You've just got access to so many people that are interested.
So amazing, all of these people, all of these companies, networking, showing our new products. There's nothing like it, and there's nothing like it in the world.
Absolutely, yeah. If you want to keep your finger on the pulse, you better be here.